So today's video is a review of this engagement ring from this online brand called Lajerrio. They actually reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review one of their rings in exchange for a video, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do for you today. So here we have a round cut white sapphire in the solitaire style. There are 6 prongs surrounding the stone right here. And this very closely resembles the Tiffany solitaire engagement ring that is ever so famous. But of course, this is for literally a fraction of the price. This ring is currently on sale for under $100 right now, which I think is quite a steal, especially if you don't want to wear your official engagement ring or you just want to test out a certain ring style. And the band here is 925 sterling silver, which is coated in rhodium to give it a platinum-like appearance. Engraving is available on this ring for an additional $15, so feel free to personalize it if you like. I did not choose that for my ring here. And I ordered this ring in a US size 6, and it says the total weight is 3.20 grams. As you can see, for the band style, it tapers towards the center of the ring to really bring out the size of the stone, which is only 0.6 carats, and this is what the included gift box looks like. They included one of these booklets that talk about the care for sterling silver, and in here, they also have a little dust cloth for cleaning your ring, and they also have this included jewelry type box with these pull-out drawers. So this is the drawer that contained the gift bag, and this is the drawer that contained the box with the ring inside it. So here's a side-by-side comparison with my Tiffany engagement ring. This is a 1.55 carat weight Tiffany on top and the 0.6 white sapphire from Lajerrio on the bottom. The band size of the Lajerrio is a lot thicker. The Tiffany band, it sticks up a lot more, giving it more of a refined sharp texture on the top. It's uniform in size all the way around. However, the Lajerrio again tapers in once you get close to the sapphire. So presentation wise, this is a side-by-side comparison of the Tiffany ring in the newly updated Tiffany blue box and the Lajerrio classic black box. So their website has various categories for jewelry. They have wedding, engagement rings, regular rings, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, etc. So there's quite a good variety, I feel like, on their site if you wanted to try something out. So anyways, that should do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this gives you a good alternative to affordable engagement or wedding rings if you ever are in the market for those. So anyways, with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.